Hello everybody, Jyoti here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. Today we will be focusing on collocations for negative situations. If you haven't watched my previous two videos on collocations, I would encourage you to do so. I will put the link in the description box below. Now if you are ready, let's dive right in. So our first collocation is bottle up your feelings. Bottle up your feelings means when you don't express your feelings. You keep your feelings inside instead of expressing them. Next we have admit defeat. It means you accept that you would not succeed. Then sick with worry or worried sick. This is one and the same thing and you can use them interchangeably. It just simply means extremely worried. Next is increase your stress levels. This collocation means you make yourself feel more stressed. And the next one is fills me with dread. It means makes me feel very upset and worried about something in the future. And this one, take exception to. It means when you are objected to or you are annoyed by something. So you express your disagreement. The next one is nasty shock. It means an unwanted or bad surprise. The next one is shattered confidence. It means when you make someone lose all his confidence. The next one is harebrained scheme. Harebrained scheme is a silly or crazy plan which is not practical. Then we have a fit of jealousy. It means a feeling of unhappiness and anger because someone has something or someone that you want. And the last one is give vent to one's frustration. Now give vent to is used only about negative feelings. So give vent to one's frustration means when someone expresses his feelings of frustration. Now time to practice. Now what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video and then try to fill in those collocations that you have just learned today. So let's do the first one. It says, I had a blank when Jane came home yesterday with a black eye. I had a nasty shock when Jane came home yesterday with a black eye. Next one is Lily hit his sister in blank. So Lily hit his sister in a fit of jealousy. I feel blank every time Ria goes out on her motorbike. I feel sick with worry. Or you can say I am worried sick every time Ria goes out on her motorbike. Josh has come up with another blank to make money. It will no doubt fail just like the last one. Josh has come up with another harebrained scheme to make money. It will no doubt fail just like the last one. Next we have his teacher's unkind remarks have blank Tom's blank. His teacher's unkind remarks have shattered Tom's confidence. Next we have I blanked my brother-in-law's unfair comments. I took exception to my brother-in-law's unfair comments. Next is the thought of having visitors to stay for a whole month, blank. Thought of having visitors to stay for a whole month fills me with dread. The little boy blanked by scribbling all over the wall. The little boy gave vent to his frustration by scribbling all over the wall. Now let's do the last two. So this one says, I tried to persuade my daughter to go to the university, but in the end I had to blank. But in the end I had to admit defeat. If you bottle up your feelings, you will only blank. If you bottle up your feelings, you will only increase your stress levels. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video useful, and if yes, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.